Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we are diving into the exciting world of Microsoft Excel. If you are new to Excel or have limited experience with spreadsheets, you have come to the right place. Hi, I am Rakesh Soni, and I am thrilled to be your Excel guide on this journey. As someone who once struggled with Excel's complexities, I understand the challenges beginners face. But fear not, by the end of this series, you will feel confident navigating Excel like a pro. In this tutorial series, we will cover all the essentials you need to know to get started with Excel. We will keep it simple and easy to follow, ensuring you build a strong foundation for your Excel skills. Excel interface. We will begin by familiarizing ourselves with the Excel interface. I will show you how to create and save workbooks, navigate sheets, and customize your Excel environment. Data entry and formatting. Entering data is at the core of Excel. I will guide you through the process of entering and editing data efficiently. Additionally, we will explore formatting options to make your spreadsheets look clean and professional. Basic formulas and functions. Excel is famous for its powerful formulas. We will cover simple calculations using arithmetic operators and basic functions like sum, average, and count. Working with tables. Managing data becomes a breeze with Excel tables. I will show you how to convert your data into tables, sort and filter information, and create impressive visuals with just a few clicks. Charts and graphs. Numbers can be dull, but not in Excel. I will teach you how to create eye-catching charts and graphs, making your data come alive with insights. Whether you are a student, small business owner, or just someone eager to harness Excel's potential, this series is designed with you in mind. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our Excel tutorials. Together, we will conquer the world of spreadsheets and make data work for us. Thank you.